Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raihan Alum Barokali, and now I will make for final exam in Mr. Bani class, namely English Pragmatics, and about I will explain about structure and written expression in English learning. And the first, for number one, likes to play the guitar in his free times. And in answer, he, namely he, karena he ini sesuai dengan kata yang di likes, kata kerja yang menggunakan likes bukan like, jadi harus pakai he. And after that, number two, the sidrums, playing outside once in store to the rhymes. Jawabannya ialah yaitu where, karena kalimatnya menggunakan past continuous tense, jadi harus pakai where. The sidrums, playing outside once in store to the rhymes were. Dan yang nomor tiga, if I enough money, I would buy the new phones. Yaitu jawabannya ialah had, karena had ini menggunakan tipe kalimat kondisional sentence verbs 2, jadi harus menggunakan had. Namanya if had enough money, I would buy a new phones. Seperti itu. And number 4, the book blah 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 on the table belongs to my sister. And answer ialah lying. Kenapa menggunakan lying? Karena present participle yang fungsinya ini adjective clause reduction, jadi harus menggunakan lying, seperti itu. And after that, about structure number 5. The demands of the aerospace, medicines, and agricultural engineers are creating exotic new metallic substance. Jawabannya ialah meet, B being meet, or C to meet, and D they are meeting. Ialah meet. Karena meet ini, karena kalimat strukturnya ini memakai infinitive clause tanpa to, jadinya harus meet, bukan meet to. Seperti itu. And number 6, James Blends carry me back to old Virginia. Was abducted Virginia in 1940. And answer was what B. B. His writing was. C. He wrote the. And D. Written by. Jawabannya ialah C. He wrote the. Mengapa menggunakan mengapa jawabannya he wrote the? Karena he wrote the ini untuk melengkapi kalimat structure agar menjadi kalimat yang lengkap, seperti itu. Jadinya he wrote the James Blends carry me back to old Virginia. Was adopted Virginia in 1914. Seperti itu. And number 7, Mary Gardens. Mary Gardens, blah blah blah. The early and 1900 was considered by the best singing actress of her time. A soprano was popular, and B in the popular soprano, and C was a popular soprano, and D a popular soprano in. Jadi ini jawabannya ialah was a popular soprano. Karena di sini was a popular soprano karena menjelaskan identitasnya dari seorang itu tersebut. Jadinya harus memakai was popular soprano. Seperti itu. And next, number 8. In the realms of the physiological, the theory Margaret in the Westbourne was dualist and blah 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 that motor the phenomena have essential roles in the visual and the psychology. And A, who she believe, B, who believed it, and C, believe, and D, who did see the belief. Jawabannya ialah B, who believe. Ngapa jawabannya who believe? Karena who believe memperkenalkan klausa yang menjelaskan Margaret Westbourne. Jadinya harus in the realm of the physiological theory, Margaret Westbourne was dualist, who believe that motor phenomena have an essential role in the physiology. Seperti itu. And after that, I explain about written expression in English. And number 1, the student was asked and were asked to submit their assignment before the free day. Yang apa di sini menggunakan was? Mengapa di sini menggunakan were bukan was? Karena explanation the subject students and is plural, so the verb should be I. Jadi di sini karena student ini karena to-be-nya harus were karena menunjukkan subjeknya yaitu seorang atau benda. And after that, number 2 is of the cars in the parking lot has been wasted. Should have explanation each in the considered singular, so it must have been wasted. Karena sini menggunakan has karena ini menjelaskan terusnya tentang kata tunggal dari kalimat ini. Jadi harus menggunakan has bukan have, seperti itu. And after that, number 3. My brother and me, I went to the concert last night. Me should be I, the subject of the sentence should be I, not me. Di sini harus menggunakan when children last night. Jadi karena subjek ini my brother, jadi harus kalimatnya menggunakan when to be the concert last night, seperti itu. And number 3, my brother and me, I went to the concert last, and the teacher explained the lesson very clearly and clearly to the students. Jadi jawabannya ialah harus memakai C, yaitu clearly, bukan clear. The clear shall be clearly explanation. The verb explanation shall be followed by a verb clearly. Karena bukan kata sifat, itu harus memakai clearly. And number 5, my father enjoys be watching football every weekend. Enjoys explanation. The subject my father is singular. Jadi ini harus memakai kata kerja singular karena enjoys. Karena subjeknya itu adalah sifat yang menggunakan tunggal. Jadinya harus enjoys, bukan enjoy. And after that, number 6. The discovery of gold in the California has led to the settlement of the West. Jadi harus memakai subjek yang discovery singular. So the verb must be has, not have. Jadi harus memakai has, bukan memakai have. And number 7, each of the students has completed the segment on time. The word each is always followed by the singular verb, and the so in the short be has complete. And number 10, the information order is very important for your research. The word information is an acronym. Noun cannot be plural, use or. Jadi ini menggunakan kata kerja yang jamak, bukannya tunggal. Seperti word information. And number 11, the manager wants be able attend the shareholders meeting tomorrow because A, he must to give a lecture. B, he will be giving the lecture. C, of the will give lecture. D, he will have giving lecture. Jawabannya ialah A, karena he must to give lecture. Jawabannya ialah B, he will be giving the lecture. Okay, let's again say, I think enough for me. See you and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.